Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm gonna be showing you a video of me putting on a 7-inch exhaust tip from a 4-inch exhaust stock, pretty sure, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. So I'm gonna do a before video of what it sounds like before, and then an after one to give y'all some idea of, for the 6.4, it's a 2010 F250 6.4, of what it sounds like. So show you what it looks like now. Just a regular old stock pipe. Sounds like in here, give you all an idea. Make this video quick. Here's my tools. 4-inch to 7. I think it's like 15 inches long. Just for hand reference, this thing is huge. So let's see what happens. She's a big one, way bigger than the stock one. Fit on there just fine. You gotta tighten it up pretty tight, but it doesn't move. Thing's on there. All right, it's just kind of right there. It doesn't sound like it's that much louder, but it definitely sounds deeper.
Yeah.
Alright, stand over here because I'm going to be going around. So overall, doesn't sound a whole lot louder, but it's definitely deeper. Of course, I don't know until we get on the highway. Maybe it'll sound different on the highway, but it does look better. There you go.